All right, it's Christmas Day. I just came inside to show the valve on off to the toilet. This is where that leak was. And I don't know what all that white gunk is, or who put it on there. But it's coming from there, and that's where it was leaking. Real slow. I mean, so slow you could hardly notice, and I don't think it started piling up on the floor until it filled up underneath us. I just wanted to take a video of that that pipe. This little water line, I should say. Little plastic water line. It has a little flex in it, I don't know. And I think Rod tightened that up a little. I don't know if he put that white sealant. I don't know what it is. But the other one's not like it. There's none of that stuff on anything. And the one in the master bedroom, or master bedroom toilet. Master bathroom toilet, I should say. Alright, I just wanted to get a picture of that.